Good morning, Rafer Olympians.
Today is Thursday, April 12, 2018.
Today we will be on an odd class period schedule.
Happy birthday to Sophie Cockerham and Julio Gonzalez.
Congratulations to the following athletes for their efforts on the John Muir Invitational on Wednesday, April 4th. Both relay teams got third place.
In the boys team, and the athletes are Steven Rosales, Brent Lawrence, Ricardo Ugalde, and Daniel Ortega. In the girls team, there are Mabel Lundy, Freya Urich, Ashlyn Nelson, and Lucy Doyle. Ricardo Ugalde won first overall in the 100-meter race, and Daniel and Brent got top 10 for the 100-meter race. Now let's please welcome Lauren.
Hi RJJ students, it's Lauren coming at you on a new segment called Behind the Scenes. And behind the scenes, we'll be showing you what fellow students and staff do on a daily basis, or new events that are upcoming for them. For today's Behind the Scenes edition, we'll be broadcasting. We're going to be talking about two students. One of these students is Jenna. Jenna is an anchor. An anchor is someone who's on Torch TV every day and talks about all the things going on that day. Jenna edits a script and then has to record every day. Her favorite part about being an anchor is being on camera and having funny bloopers with her fellow anchor. If she wasn't an anchor, she said she would be a TriCaster, which is what Devin is at the moment. A TriCaster is someone that changes the screen behind me and switches the cameras from the segment camera to the anchor camera. He loves being in the broadcasting room, and if he didn't do the job he is doing now, then he would be scrolling the slides for the space below the anchors, which is a scroller. Mr. Smothers is a teacher for broadcasting. He makes sure that the students do not settle for something less than best, which I think is a very good approach when trying. If he was a student, then he would prefer to be a TriCaster. To improve broadcasting, he would introduce the idea of having live interviews and trailers. Well, sadly, that's all we have for today. I hope you have a wonderful day, and see you guys next time on Behind the Scenes.
Thank you, Lauren.
Kingsburg Criterion is coming up this weekend, Saturday at the 14th from 8 a.m. to 5 p.m. Proceeds go on to Rafer Johnson. Students can sign up to participate in a free race.
What is a portfolio? Did you know that Portfolio Day is coming soon? This day is set aside for students to present their work to other students and members of our community. To help you prepare, the Torch TV staff will share daily tips that will help you to be your best on Portfolio Day as possible.
You might ask, what is portfolio and why should I care? A portfolio is a collection of work reflecting who you are as a person and a learner. Adults often provide portfolios of their work while applying for colleges, jobs, or other new opportunities.
This is your chance to practice collecting work, and currently represents your unique personality and skills. You might choose to place examples of your very best work in your portfolio, but you could also choose samples of work that challenged or inspired you in some way. The main idea is to be creative and professional when deciding what to add. If you have any questions regarding portfolios, email Ms. Didini at ddini@kesd.org. 8th graders, don't forget the deadline for ads in the yearbook is tomorrow, April 13th. If you have any questions, see Ms. Scott in room 5.
Please help keep our campus clean by picking after yourselves. And a shout out of kindness is
Emily, for being a great friend.
Remember, a hero is a unique person who makes sacrifices to help others.
Have a wonderful day.
Now please stand and be respectful as your teacher leads you in the flag salute. I'm Vanessa.
And I'm Lainey.
And you've just been torched.